What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're gonna go over Fantom, guys. We're sitting at $1.97. We're up about 3.5 on the day. We're sitting at a market cap of 5.02 billion. 24-hour volume 555 million. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to crypto.com, sign up to the world's fastest growing crypto app, and you can grab one of the incredible Visa cards for cashback in crypto, free Spotify, Netflix, Prime, travel incentives, depending on the level of card that you have. $25 just for signing up through my referral. So we're here on the 4-hour time frame. You can see we reached the target of our falling wedge pattern. So I'm going to quickly take this out. Now we do have to watch this double top, guys. You can see it better on the daily, but you can see here we've come up, we've hit resistance, we found support, we came up, we hit resistance once again, and we've created a double top. The money flow is in the floor, guys, as well as the RSI. So to invalidate this, we simply need to come back up to this level of resistance, break out, and then we had a triple bottom instead of a double top. But as of right now, we do have a double top pattern. So I will give you a breakdown target. I do think Bitcoin would have to come to the low 40Ks for this to play out for FTM, but it would bring FTM all the way back down to about $1.50. So watch the level of support at 193. If it's broken, guys, and we start to back test it as resistance here, we could come down to $1.50. But as I've been saying, I do think Bitcoin would have to go to the low 40Ks. We also have a beautiful opportunity to bounce off this strong level of support as the RSI and the money flow is completely in the floor. If we look at the daily time frame, you can see it better on the daily, guys. We've created a top and we've created a second top. And we also have a descending triangle, which is a bearish pattern, guys. And that would take FTM back down to about $1.40, guys, back down to these lows. So do keep an eye on that. Just keep a close eye on Bitcoin. Of course, BTC controls the market. We have broken out of this falling wedge pattern here. So if we can hold this level of support, we start trending back upwards, then we can invalidate that structure for Fantom. But if we do come down to the low 40Ks, which was the worst case scenario in my opinion, that's when you could see that pattern play out for FTM and we could come down. But of course, you can also break out to the upside from bearish patterns. It's just not as probable, but if we do break out to the upside, we take FTM back up to 279. We are underneath the EMAs once again, hitting them as resistance. So do watch if we start to push up here. Watch the EMAs and watch about $2.15. That's a major level of resistance. That you can see here, money is starting to flow back into Fantom, so that is a good sign on the daily. However, I have been mentioning on the weekly, guys, we did create an equal high while creating a significantly lower high on the RSI as well as the money flow. So we do have a bearish divergence on the weekly that we do have to keep a close eye on. But for this to fully play out and for us to come all the way down to 132 or the previous high at about 95 cents, Bitcoin would just have to completely shit the bed. And I don't think that's a likely scenario. As of right now, I do think we're just putting in that right shoulder and waiting to break out back to the upside. I do think Bitcoin would have to come all the way back down to 38 or 33K. And personally, I don't think that's a likely scenario. The Bitcoin longs are continuing to increase here. And we're not seeing an increase in the short positions, which is a bullish sign in my opinion. All right, guys, so that's basically it for FTM. Just a quick little update here. Just watch this descending triangle. Watch this level of support at 193. It needs to hold if we are going to bounce back to the upside. If we start to lose it significantly, guys, your breakdown target is about $1.50. If you do short the market, it could be a nice little trade of about 21% for FTM. If you want to trade with me, make sure to sign up to Bybit, $4,100 in bonuses for a limited time. And if we bounce here, watch 219 could act as resistance, and our next resistance zone is 242. We dollar cost average equal amounts at each buy zone, brings our average price down halfway each time, with our break even sitting at 234 for FTM. We have buy zones at 136 and 115. So just a quick little update, guys. Just wanted to make you guys aware of those patterns, as well as this little descending triangle on the daily. If we see a little bit of bounce here, do watch the EMAs at about 215, 220. If we can break out to the upside, then you have a beautiful little breakout target that could bring you back up here to about 287. But it is a bearish pattern, guys, so just watch that support at about $1.90. That's it for FTM. We still have our bull run targets in play. We have the 2 extension coming at $6.04, the 2.272 at $10 for FTM. All right, guys, that's it for this one. Smash that like button. Big shout out to the Discord. Over 1,000 members talking all things crypto, posting chart patterns and silly memes, as well as the DCH trade strategy fully explained, the DCA charts for the live trades on the channel, and daily buy and take profit zones if you're looking to dollar cost average into your altcoins based off support, resistance, Fibonacci levels. Price of a coffee, $3.50 USD. All right, I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.